Sudhindra Badoria of the BSP, Syed Asim Wakar of the SP from Lucknow, and Ranjana Bajpai. So we have two representatives from the Samajwadi Party. Anupam Kher, actor and social activist. Khushbu, well-known actor and DMK leader. Shobha Oza of the Congress Party. Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP. We have a full house and we have enough time to debate this. I would like to begin by asking our Samajwadi Party representatives Ranjana Bajpai and Syed Asim Wakar जी और रंजना बाजपेयी जी, सवाल आपसे सिंपल है, अंग्रेजी हिंदी दोनों में आप रिप्लाई कर सकते हैं। बात यह है कि जिस तरह से जो प्रॉमिसेस की थी अखिलेश ने बिल्कुल भूल गए। In March 2012 he said we have been accusing everyone, now law and order has to be our priority. Then in August he said you will see how we restore law and order in our state. Today, I'm sorry, in parts of Uttar Pradesh it is worse than under the Taliban. What is worse? What is worse, Syed Wakar ji and Ranjana Bajpai ji, is that Akhilesh wants to blame everybody but himself. He takes no responsibility. And in fact, he said, मुझे खत्म कर लेने दीजिए, after that you can reply. And in fact, he said the other day, आपको तो कुछ नहीं हुआ है, आप क्या क्यों complain कर रहे हैं? ऐसा लग रहा है कि लोगों को, those people, those women in Uttar Pradesh who have not been raped or molested or murdered should be grateful today. One more thing, just one more thing, and I just want you to listen. He removes Anil Gupta today. आज अनिल गुप्ता को उन्होंने निकाला। आपको याद होगा कई महीनों पहले अनिल गुप्ता ने कहा था, जब बच्चे मर रहे थे मुजफ्फरनगर राइट्स के बाद, तो कहते थे सर्दी में कौन मरता है, अगर ऐसा होता तो साइबेरिया में मरते। उस समय अखिलेश ने कुछ नहीं किया। आज अपने आप को बचाने के लिए उन्होंने वो ब्यूरोक्रेट को रिमूव कर दिया, अपने आप को बचाने के लिए। What has happened, Wakar ji? What has happened, Bajpai ji? Does Akhilesh feel कि he has no responsibility?
Arnab ji, it has become a fashion nowadays to condemn the Samajwadi Party all over the country. People are not seeing the good work that my Chief Minister is doing. Although no doubt the crime that has occurred in Badaयूं,
I want to talk about what is happening.
In other places, we condemn that.
Ma'am, ma'am, I'll tell you one thing.
Badaयूं,
No, one second. It is not a fashion. It is not a fashion. You know, what has happened in Bareilly, I don't think there is anything fashionable about it. A 22-year-old girl has been gang raped. 1 minute. She's been gang raped, then she's been forced to drink acid. Then she has been strangulated, गला घोट के. Then her face has been mutilated. Face के ऊपर भी acid डाल दी. उसको उस तरह से मारा. और so Miss Bajpai, don't give me that line, please.
Action against the people.
Don't give me that line.
Why should I not give you that line? Because that is the truth.
Because you have a responsibility.
Doing everything.
Because you have a responsibility beyond defending your Chief Minister. You see,
why should I not defend the Chief Minister? He is the best Chief Minister. There have been other Chief Ministers also, but in the last 2 years, he has done the best work. He is one of the best Chief Ministers. He has done so much for the progress of the country, for the state. Why should I not try to take up his side when he is doing good work? And wherever there has been such incidents, such crimes, we have also always condemned them. And we have taken very strong action against all the people who are responsible for these crimes. We do not condone these crimes. So please, instead of only saying that we are
Miss
not
Bajpai,
doing good
you
work,
don't care. Miss
of course
Bajpai, can I? No, one second. I'll get a response. No, I'll get a response.
And we are hurt.
No, I'll tell you one thing.
Hurt.
I'll tell you one thing, ma'am. You see, I'll tell you one thing.
We are hurt about this.
No, your being hurt does not matter.
One person.
You know what we are hurt about?
It does matter. It might not matter to you, but it matters to the state.
No, it doesn't matter.
That the Chief Minister
Ma'am, what your being hurt is not an issue.
Has taken strongest action. He has dismissed.
First of all, Miss Bajpai, I've heard you. Now let me say something, please. What you need to understand is you took a responsibility. You wanted to be in power. Your Chief Minister, Mulayam Singh Yadav's son, is not doing the whole country and people of Uttar Pradesh a favor by being the Chief Minister. So when he sits on that chair, he has a responsibility to the people, and And
just want to.
and he has no responsibility to the people. You see, he's arrogant. You know he's arrogant.
We want to serve the people.
No, this what
We are
kind of
not doing
serving?
any
What
favor. We are serving
what
the
kind of
people.
serving of the people is going on out here? You can't wash your hands from what has happened. The
It is
local
going
MP
on.
from Badaun is
Why don't you-
Dharmendra
why don't
Yadav.
you see the good work also.
I don't
Why-
care about your
why
good
don't you
work.
see the
I want
good
you to
work
tell
also?
me why there are these kind of rapes
But you
and
don't
rapes
care, it
happening in
doesn't
your
matter.
state.
It doesn't change
What
the
good
truth.
work? I don't care about your good work.
Doesn't change the truth.
Let me get others in. Ma'am, you know
No,
this is the.
don't care. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, of course
but
nothing
we will
matters.
Speak the truth.
I'll tell you.
I cannot go by what you are saying. How
Tell you.
can I say that?
I'll tell you 1 second, ma'am. You can say today, you know, you are sinking today in the national esteem when you say I don't care. You know when you will care, Miss Ranjana Bajpai.
I did
You know
not
when
say
you
I
will
don't
care.
We
When,
care
you
for the
know, Miss
people,
Bajpai,
but we
Miss
don't care
Bajpai,
for people like
Miss
those
Bajpai.
who are not doing anything for the society.
Bajpai, you are a woman. Miss Bajpai, you are a woman. You are the president of the women's wing of the Samajwadi Party. You are a woman leader. You know, in fact, I tell you, Miss Bajpai, I tell you, you should have resigned from Samajwadi Party. You know when you should have resigned?
Why she should
I'll tell you why. No, I'll tell you why. 1 second, 1 minute. 1 minute, Mr. Wakar ji, आप क्यों उनके लिए बोल रहे हैं?
in the university. I know what I am doing.
Wakar ji, आप क्यों
Arnab ji.
1 minute. Then 1 second. 1 second. Bajpai ji, I'll tell you.
I am a professor in the university.
What?
I don't need anybody's advice. I know what I am doing.
You know,
I am with a party which is working for the cause of the people.
Yeah.
We are giving free
I'll tell you.
education. We are giving free medicine. We are giving free irrigation.
So,
I don't condemn.
Miss
I don't
Bajpai,
condone these crimes which have happened. They are
Miss
heinous
Bajpai,
crimes.
who? I'm
But we
sorry.
have
Can I
taken
say
action.
something to you, Miss Bajpai?
Yes.
Can I say something to you? Please listen to me.
Yes, of course you can. Of course, Arnab ji, you can say.
Who cares, Miss Bajpai, whether you condone it or not? Who cares? Who cares? But people
you don't
care.
care-
People care.
All
1
right,
minute
don't
now.
care.
Now you listen
All
to
right,
me, Miss
don't care.
Bajpai. You know, I'll tell you, Wakarji, why I felt Ranjana
Okay,
Bajpai
okay.
should resign from the Samajwadi Party. Because you have a leader called Mulayam Singh Yadav. 2014 के चुनाव के बीच
Mulayam
में
Singh Yadav is not a national leader. He
Please.
is an international leader.
Fine, your international leader, I'll tell you what he said. No, 1 minute. Now
Mulayam
listen
Singh
to me.
Yadav.
Listen to me before I let others come in and everybody wants to respond to what you're saying. I'll tell you, on 10th of April, I felt that there was really a problem in your party. Because Mulayam Singh Yadav said, in the context of the Shakti Mills gang rape in Mumbai, right, where a professional young woman was gang raped in Mumbai, you know what he said? लड़के तो लड़के होते हैं, boys will be boys.
I know.
No, 1 minute. गलतियां
But
होती
you
हैं.
did not read.
1 minute. 1 minute. He says, and then he says, should a rapist face death? People make mistakes. Boys will be boys. Why were these boys punished? Why were these boys punished? He said, no. So I expect nothing better, but I don't. But at the same time, you know, he's a semi-retired man. I'm not talking about. I'm talking about his son, the chief minister.
Why don't you display the whole speech?
Why? I can read out the whole speech to you. I remember
Arnab
it.
ji,
It is so abhorrent. People will never forget it.
Why?
Anyway.
No, because you are just displaying that one
No,
sentence.
my problem with you is okay. I'll open up the debate.
what
Now, my
context
problem with you is that instead of being concerned about what is happening in the state, Mulayam is more concerned who is going to sit next to him in Parliament, right? And your government said safety of women is a matter of priority.
He is only concerned about the state. He is concerned about the state.
I'm opening up the
and
debate.
He has done very good
And I'd
work.
like to go
My
first to
Chief Minister
Khushbu.
has done very good work.
I'd like to go first to Khushbu. So, you know, just for a while, Ranjana ji, you come out of your own mindset where the whole world is attacking your party. And for a few minutes on Newshour tonight, you
Whole
think
world
of what
is
those,
attacking
you think of
my
what is
party
going on in your state,
because
and you
the
ask
BJP is the
yourself,
center.
and you ask yourself a
It's
simple
afraid.
question that if a politician's relative had been through that, how would you have reacted? You would not have reacted with this casual manner that you are reacting tonight. Khushbu, I'd like you to respond, please. I'm coming to Anupam Kherji. Khushbu, please. Hear it from others. Hear it from others tonight. Hear it from others tonight. Khushbu.
Arnav, correct me if I'm wrong. I think sometime last year we were debating the whole thing again, just few months back, in fact, towards the end of the year when there was a rape again, series of rape in Mr. Akhilesh Yadav's government and state, and we were discussing the whole thing time and again. Weren't we doing that?
Yes, we were.
Yes, and here we are back doing the same old thing, talking about the gang rape, 6 gang rapes in the last 7 days. I think it's the most shameful manner a state government can come forward. What is very, very appalling is the way the people of the party, of the state, the running government react to this. With all my due respects to Ms. Bajpai, I really want to ask, how can a woman react to this in such a casual manner and say that
Because she's the Samajwadi Party
it's a
leader.
rape. Right, right. No, it's not
Because
about
she
Samajwadi
wants to
Party.
show her
It's not
loyalty
about
to her party.
I'm saying as a woman, my
responding as a party
reaction
leader.
is
You know
not belonging to any of the party.
know.
She's
Why don't you tell the
Ma'am,
people what
you have
action they
taken
have
action.
taken
If you had taken actions last year, there wouldn't be rape in the last 6 days. If you had taken action, I was on the same
We
ship
have
when there
taken
were
action.
series
We
of
have
rapes
taken action
in your government.
against the culprit.
And
Do
what?
not
So
put
what
the
is the action?
wrong
People
picture
still
in front
continue
of
to
the public.
abduct women. People still continue to kidnap women. People still continue to gang rape
condemn
women.
the crime.
You go and
No.
gang rape a
Very
12-year and a 13-year.
not only, no, 1 second, one minute. I want to tell you one thing, Wakarji, आप सुन लीजिए, आज लोगों को गुस्सा क्यों आता है आपको बताता हूं मैं, क्योंकि आपके आज राज्य में क्या हो रहा है। नहीं, एक बात मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूं कि आपका हाथ मैंने देखा है कई बार ऊपर जा रहा है और दूसरों को भी मौका देना चाहता हूं, मगर आप एक बात सुन लीजिए कि आपके राज्य में आज कोई पॉलिटिशियन का भैंस अगर भाग जाए तो पुलिस ऑफिशियल्स के खिलाफ एक्शन होता है। आजम खान्स बफेलोज व्हेन दे वेंट मिसिंग, देयर वाज एक्शन अगेंस्ट पुलिस ऑफिशियल्स। जब आपके नेतागण के, एक मिनट सुन लीजिए बस 10 सेकंड लूंगा, आपके नेतागण के भैंस जब भाग जाते हैं तब आप पुलिस वालों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करते हैं। मगर जब ये छोटी छोटी बच्चियां, जब इनका गैंगरेप होता है, मार दिया जाता है, जब पेड़ से लटका दिया जाता है, चेहरे पे एसिड फेंका जाता है, एसिड पिलाया जाता है और फिर फेस को, जो चेहरा है, उसको म्यूटिलेट किया जाता है, उसके बाद और उसके पहले आपके मुख्यमंत्री कहते हैं आपके साथ तो नहीं हुआ ना, आप क्यों कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं? ऐसे व्यक्ति का कोई मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, और वही व्यक्ति
क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं, जवाब सुनना पसंद नहीं कर रहे हैं। दिस इज नॉट द वे ऑफ द डिबेट।
जो श्योर आपको वकार जी, आपको सुनने में तकलीफ हो रही है, सच्चाई सुनने में तकलीफ हो रही है वकार जी, आपको
सुनने में तकलीफ हो रही है,
लग रहा है मुझे।
यू डोंट वांट कि दुनिया तक सच पहुंचे। आप
सच्चाई, मैंने जो कहा उसमें एक बात कह दीजिए जो सच ना हो।
मैं हिंदुस्तान में पहला मीडिया देख रहा हूं जो एक क्राइम के बाद, एक्शन होने के बाद सवाल उठा रहा है।
किस तरह का एक्शन, आप मुझे बताइए वकार जी, किस तरह का एक्शन?
जितनी तत्परता से और जितनी तेजी से, बात सुनिए मेरी पूरी।
आप आज भी अपने आप को सर्टिफिकेट देने आए हैं।
ये एक मानसिकता को दर्शाता है। मैं बताऊं आपसे, कभी भी आज तक आपने नहीं सुना होगा कि समाजवादी पार्टी के किसी भी पदाधिकारी ने ये कहा हो तरुण तेजपाल के जेल जाने के बाद कि मीडिया की मानसिकता ऐसी थी इसलिए तरुण तेजपाल ने ये हरकत कर दी थी। आप समझिए, वन मैन फ्रॉम योर साइड, मिस्टर तरुण तेजपाल इज अंडर अरेस्ट इन द केस ऑफ सेम केस जो मैं कह रहा हूं आपसे।
What a stupid argument.
कार्यकर्ता ने ये नहीं कहा।
What a ridiculous argument.
दूसरी बात,
What a shameful argument.
सुनिए पहले आप।
What a shameful argument. What you know, I am shocked. मैं तो सुन के हैरान हो गया हूं कि आप जैसे व्यक्ति नेशनल टेलीविजन पर आके जो कहते हैं रेप का जस्टिफिकेशन कर रहे हैं। आप सुन लीजिए मेरी तरफ से कि जो तरुण तेजपाल के बारे में पूछना था हमने पूछा, उनके खिलाफ जो एक्शन था उनके साथ हुआ। 17 साल की आप मुझे बताइए 17 साल की लड़की के साथ जो मुजफ्फरनगर, आपको हिम्मत नहीं है सुनने की वकार जी? डर लगता है सच सुनने में। जो मार्च 2014 में जो मिर्जापुर में एक औरत, एक जर्नलिस्ट के साथ गैंगरेप हुआ, उसके साथ क्या लिंक है? जो 17 साल की लड़की के साथ गैंगरेप हुआ मुजफ्फरनगर में, उसके साथ क्या लिंक है? आप मुझे बताइए क्या लिंक है? जो बदाऊं में हुआ उसके साथ क्या लिंक है? आप मुझे बताइए। जो बरेली में हुआ उसके साथ क्या लिंक है?
What do you want to know?
I want to know why this is happening in Uttar Pradesh repeatedly. I want to know why you have not filed a case under the SC/ST Act. I want to know why you did not remove Anil Gupta earlier when you said that in Siberia people die of cold, people can't die of Uttar Pradesh of cold.
उन्होंने जिस तरह उनके
I want to know.
Give me a chance.
उस बस्ती के वालदैन ने जिस तरह
मैं जानना चाहता हूं।
लिसन, देखिए जो FIR है
तो पहली बात है गुस्सा मत दिखाइए। आप सवाल पूछ रहे हो,
जिसके ऊपर
गुस्सा क्यों कर रहे
Arnab ji,
आपको सवाल पूछ रहा हूं।
I will tell you what you are saying. Arnab ji, you are saying that why did SC/ST Act was not registered on the people, on the culprit. One thing you must listen this thing and make it very clear that both the girls were not from scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. And you, if you want, you can confirm it, and then you will apologize for what you are saying.
The question is 1 minute. You know, I'll tell you, Miss Bajpai. The fact of the matter remains. 1 minute, Miss Bajpai. Listen to me. Listen, दो angles हो सकते हैं. The fact of the matter remains this crime was committed by the accused in complicity with two policemen, Sarvesh Yadav and Chhatrapal Yadav.
Yes, of course.
Your failure to invoke harsh measures and you are justifying it, whatever, it gives an impression, and the fact that the whole media has had to go after you. Now listen to me, Miss Bajpai. The whole media has gone after you, and now you are on the back foot. You see, why have you had to be forced into action? Why did your chief minister? You know, I'll tell you one thing. You think of one thing, Miss Bajpai. No, you tell me, Miss Bajpai. Okay, I'll ask you one question. You listen to me, Miss Bajpai. Your chief minister, when did he say? कब उन्होंने कहा? आप ये बात समझ लीजिए. उन्होंने कहा फ्राइडे को, उन्होंने कहा जर्नलिस्ट को जब पूछा गया कि आप क्यों कुछ नहीं कर रहे, तो कहा कि आपके साथ तो कुछ नहीं हुआ है ना, आप क्यों कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं, ऐसी बात कही. उसके बाद आज ये बात निकली कि 22, सुन लीजिए, सुनते क्यों नहीं है?
बताइए,
आप सुनते क्यों नहीं? आप दोनों
बताइए.
फ्राइडे को हमने कहा कि ये किस तरह के चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं जो पूछते हैं कि आपके साथ तो कुछ नहीं हुआ तो आप कंप्लेन क्यों कर रहे हैं. इससे जो है, जो रेपिस्ट है, उनकी मानसिकता बढ़ जाती है. उनको लगता है कि द चीफ मिनिस्टर इज प्रोटेक्टिंग अस. और चीफ मिनिस्टर के जो पिताजी हैं वो कहते हैं लड़के तो लड़के होंगे, गलतियां कर सकती है. नो, यू सी, आई हैव बीन टॉकिंग टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, एंड आई विल गेट शोभा ओझा, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी एंड अनुपम खेर इन, बिकॉज द डिबेट इज नॉट बिटवीन यू एंड मी. आई हैव बीन टॉकिंग टू अ लॉट of people, and you know what they tell me? They tell me, Anupam Kher, that the bureaucracy feels that the chief minister can't do anything and is not interested.
To hear what action we have taken.
See, listen, ma'am, I don't want a government report card. I want you to hear also. Anupam Kher. No, I don't see you. I don't see you genuinely worried. You should just resign out of shame. Anupam Kher.
What do you want? What do you want? How should I behave?
Ma'am, I just want you to feel sorry. I want you to apologize on behalf of a government that has failed its people. I want you to say sorry for the comments of your chief minister. I want you to acknowledge that you have failed.
Humanity.
I want you to acknowledge that you have failed.
Which we will all have to fight.
What all have to fight? You are in government. Anupam Kher. You are in government. Anupam Kher.
Arnab, the problem is
two officers.
Arnab, the problem is
I'll let
you are
Anupam
asking these questions. The problem is that you are asking these questions to people who are either chamchas of Akhilesh Yadav or who are sevaks of Samajwadi Party. Unfortunately, you are not asking these questions to a mother who has lost his... We are not asking this question to a mother who has lost his daughter, her daughter. You are not asking a brother whose sister has been raped like this. You are not asking a father whose daughter has been subjected to this. So they are behaving like, they are representing a mindset. They are already prepared that we have to defend. It's so unfortunate that both Ms. Vajpayee or Mr. Waqar has not once said that we are horrified that this has happened in our state.
Yes.
That we are sorry that this has happened in our state. That we are apologizing that this has happened in our state. They are constantly defending their master's voice, which is shameful and disgusting. If unfortunate, by God forbid, if something like this had happened to Ms. Vajpayee's family or Mr. Waqar's family, what would have been their response? It's unfortunate that the kind of atrocity, the kind of brutality these girls have been subjected to, and for them to say, "Hum hurt hain," what kind of hurt they are? What is the hurt?
Narendra Modi of the BJP.
I'm happy to be a live chamcha of Narendra Modi. It's perfectly all right with me.
समाजवादी पार्टी का एक-एक
But I am also telling you that I'm also telling you that you should be ashamed of the stance that you are taking tonight. As a lady, you should be ashamed of the stance that you are taking. That not even once you are saying that look at what has happened in Badaयूं, look what has happened to the girl who has been subject to that rape. It's so sad. When I'm telling them the truth, it's pinching them because I'm telling them the truth. I don't have to be somebody's chamcha, but they unfortunately have to be.
It is very easy. It is very easy to act in movies, but it is very difficult to do something.
It's not, ma'am. First of all, don't patronize me. I am happy. Please don't patronize me. It is not easy, but it is easy to be a chamcha of a politician. That's what you have been representing for the last 15 years.
Miss Bajpai, you see, Miss Bajpai, I'll tell you, Miss Bajpai, what the problem is. One minute, just a minute. You see, Miss Bajpai, I'll tell you today. The problem with some politicians
Arnab,
is...
don't calm down.
No,
Don't calm down, Arnab.
It's
very important.
No, one second. No, I just want to explain one thing to Miss Bajpai. You see, Miss Bajpai, listen to me. Listen to me, Miss Bajpai, zara sun lijiye. Miss Bajpai, listen to me. The fact remains that your government has brought international shame to India today. आप कह रहे हैं इंटरनेशनल लीडर है, मैं कह रहा हूं आपसे वकार जी, मैं कह रहा हूं आप सुन लीजिए कि आज सारे दुनिया के आंखों में देश का जो है हमारी सर झुक जा रही है, क्योंकि यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने कंपेयर किया है उत्तर प्रदेश में जो हो रहा है उसको, जो नाइजीरिया में लड़कियों की का अपहरण हुआ है बोको हराम के साथ. This incident in Uttar Pradesh has drawn comparisons to the story of the abduction of the Nigerian girls by the Boko Haram, and the United Nations is telling us about the lack of effective implementation of tough anti-rape laws. So we have a right to know, Mr. Wakar. आप ये समझ लीजिए कि आपको लगता होगा कि उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार, आपको लगता होगा कि सारी जो उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार हमारी फैमिली प्रॉपर्टी है.
How can Anupam Kher call us chamchas? He is a chamcha himself of the BJP. How can he speak such things about us? I am a professor in the university. He doesn't know anything about UP.
Arnab,
और जहाँ तक इसका
I don't need to know anything about UP, ma'am.
Incident.
I need to know what is happening in your state. I don't need to know anything. Your
you better not. You are not capable of understanding anything. Because you stay in air conditioned
the problem is, Ms. Bajpai, you know why you are getting upset? Because I have spoken the truth. If I had not spoken the truth, you would have not been upset. You would have said, I think you're right. I must apologize. I must say sorry about this girl. I feel bad for the girls, what has happened. I feel bad for their parents. I feel bad for that my state is being put in such a shame. But you are affected by my comment because I spoke the truth.
And the fact is, Miss Bajpai,
you can ridicule me. You can
Miss Bajpai, just a minute. Miss Bajpai, I can also tell you this. I can also tell you this, that it is better to be, Mr. Wakar ji, आपको गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? क्योंकि मैं कह रहा हूँ आपको, रंजना बाजपेयी जी को गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है आज? आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है कि आपको लगता है
आप हम लोगों के ऊपर ब्लेम लगा रहे हैं. आप ब्लेम नहीं लगा.
मैं आपको कहता हूं आपके खिलाफ क्यों ब्लेम लगा रहा हूं. मैं ब्लेम लगा रहा हूं, मैं जानबूझ के सोच समझ के जानबूझ के और सोच समझ के आप पे ब्लेम लगा रहा हूं, क्योंकि बदायूं इज वन इन अ सीरीज ऑफ घास्टली इंसिडेंट्स. आप सुनना नहीं चाहते. In a series of ghastly incidents which have taken place because
हर एक्शन लिया उनके
Well, this is the problem.
कंडेम लगाना
This is the problem. You don't want to listen. Shobha Oza, you know.
Is she?
No, no. Well, let's get everyone in. Shobha Oza's turn from the Congress Party. Shobha Oza. She could have. The Congress Party could have acted. The Congress Party could have acted. The Congress Party could have realized when Muzaffarnagar happened and when Anil Gupta said that when children were dying of the cold, and Anil Gupta said that people don't die in Siberia, how can people die in Muzaffarnagar? At that time, the Congress Party could have acted against the Samajwadi Party, but it did not. It did not.
आप तो झूठ बता रहे हैं यहाँ पर। आप तो
the Congress Party did that. The PM and the Congress President both went to Muzaffarnagar. The Vice President Rahul Gandhi ji also went to Muzaffarnagar, met the victims themselves. I also went, and as far as Badayu incident is also concerned, we went personally, met. When I was hearing Ms. Bajpai, I was just about to tell her that why don't you go and visit Badayu? Why can't you go and meet the victim's family? You would feel the pain of the family. Then you would not be speaking in the language you're speaking today. Ms. Bajpai, kindly both of you go and visit Badayu and meet the people out there. Look at the plight of the people there. Look at the fear on the faces of the people there. Look at the insecure young girls, small girls who are just looking at you with a big question mark as to is it my turn next time? So please, Ms. Bajpai, why don't you go and visit and see for yourself? And the whole humanity should be
अभी आपने सुना होगा आसाम में रात में एक लड़की के साथ क्या हुआ था। मैं यहाँ कहना नहीं चाहता हूँ बिकॉज मैं जस्टिफाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ उत्तर प्रदेश के केस को। आसाम में एक आपको याद होगा रात में एक लड़की क्लब से निकल रही थी, तो क्या उसके लिए उस मुख्यमंत्री को जिम्मेदार ठहराया जाएगा? जिन लोगों ने किया दे आर अपराधी, दे आर क्रिमिनल, तो उनको सजा मिलना चाहिए। क्रिमिनल के अगेंस्ट खड़े हैं जो
No, पहली बात तो यह है वकार जी, I tell you one thing. Once again, Mr. Waqar, आप सुन लीजिए please आप सुन लीजिए 1 minute. Shobha Oza 1 minute. Shobha Oza just a minute. Shobha Oza, Waqar जी 1 minute first of all, Waqar जी, I request you, आप दूसरों को सुनने में आपको तकलीफ क्या होती है? आप सुन 1 मिनट। रंजना जी कई पैनलिस्ट है हमारे प्रोग्राम पे, सुधींद्र भदौरिया, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, दे हैव नॉट इवन स्पोकन। आप जरा सुन लीजिए, 2 बातें कहूंगा आपसे। एवरी टाइम यू आर आस्क्ड अ क्वेश्चन, यू पिक अप एन एग्जांपल इन अनदर स्टेट एंड यू से डिड द पर्सन देयर रिजाइन, फाइन। सो टू दैट आई जस्ट वांट टू से वन थिंग। नाउ यू लिसन टू मी। रंजना जी सुन लीजिए, मैं समाजवादी पार्टी के सरकार का PR एजेंट नहीं हूं जो आपको सॉफ्ट क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा। आपको अगर लगता है कि आपको सिर्फ उस तरह के नरम सवाल चाहिए तो दूसरे चैनल पे जा सकते हैं। ये टाइम्स नाउ है, सीधा सवाल करता हूं मैं आपसे, और मेरा ये कहना है कि आप मुझे एक बात बता दीजिए रंजना जी। 1 मिनट सुन लीजिए रंजना जी, कि 1 मिनट सुन लीजिए रंजना जी, और वकार जी आप सुन लीजिए, आपको क्या चाहिए? What is not done? It's absolutely done.
Of our state, we cannot speak of the other state.
Now, no. You see what is terrible. One minute.
Why did you blame only our chief minister?
Ranjanaji, I am here to plead for the women. The atrocities against women here, we are to discuss that. Isn't it shameful what happened in Badayu?
It was a very shameful act.
Please go and see for yourself the plight of people there.
दुनिया को औरत और मर्द में मत बांटिए प्लीज। आप बहन भी हैं।
नहीं, अरे वकार जी, आप तो महिलाओं की सुरक्षा में कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे। आप आसाम की बात कर रहे हैं।
औरत मर्द में मत बांटिए प्लीज।
वकार जी 1 मिनट का, वकार जी 1 minute प्लीज। Shobha Oza, I'm requesting you please. Shobha Oza, listen to me, Shobha Oza, and please listen to me, Waqar ji and Anjana ji. You see, remember one thing, and please remember. You see, what has happened is, you tell me another politician in India. आप सोच लीजिए, आपको 5 मिनट का समय देता हूं, आप तब तक दूसरों की बात सोच लीजिए। इन हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश आई विल से नेम वन सीनियर पॉलिटिशियन हु सेज बॉयज विल बी बॉयज, लड़के तो लड़के होंगे, इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ रेप और बलात्कार। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन टू यू, सुन लीजिए बात, एक मिनट सुन लीजिए। शायद आपको सुन के काफी खराब लगेगा, काफी आपको शर्म आएगी, मगर एक और मुख्यमंत्री का नाम दीजिए जो कहते हैं जब पूछा जाता है इस तरह के इंसिडेंट्स क्यों हो रहे हैं तो आपके साथ तो कुछ नहीं हुआ है ना, आप कंप्लेन क्यों कर रहे हैं? नाउ आई लाइक टू गो टू सुधींद्र भदौरिया। 5 मिनट देता हूं आपको सोचने के लिए। नाम बताइए एक दूसरे लीडर का नाम बताइए। रंजना जी, नेम अनदर पर्सन। नेम अनदर पर्सन, एक पॉलिटिशियन का नाम बताइए इस वक्त, नाम बताइए आप, एक पॉलिटिशियन का नाम बताइए आप, एक पॉलिटिशियन का नाम बताइए आप, वकार जी जो इस तरह की बेहुदा बात करते हैं, आप बताइए एक पॉलिटिशियन का नाम, नेम वन पॉलिटिशियन हु टॉक्स लाइक दिस. What are you saying? So what if he's a chief minister? He's accountable to the people. Name one politician who talks like this.
15 years.
Name one politician who talks like this.
Throughout his life.
Name one politician who talks like this.
His nomination papers.
You don't have a name.
Not mentioned that he was married even.
Sudhindra Bhadoria.
I'm telling you,
Sudhindra Bhadoria. Now, when the BSP was in power in Uttar Pradesh, your record was worse. Point number one. Point number two, Sudhindra Bhadoria, and don't get worked up, okay? I remember that a BSP situation इतनी खराब थी मायावती के अंदर, इतनी खराब थी कि आपके पार्टी के एक MLA, उनका नाम शायद पुरुषोत्तम द्विवेदी था, उन्होंने खुद उन पर केस हुई थी, चार्जशीट फाइल की हुई थी बांदा रेप केस में, आपको याद है? एक माइनर दलित गर्ल के खिलाफ उन्होंने खुद केस की थी, और जब लड़की जेल गई थी तब लड़की के खिलाफ उन्होंने अपने पावर को यूज करके, जब मायावती की सरकार थी तब उन्होंने लड़की के खिलाफ केस कर दी थी, और जो ये 16 या 17 साल की लड़की थी, लड़की को जेल कर दिया गया था रेप के बाद, because the rapist was a BSP MLA. No, so one second, before you go on before you attack the Mulayam Singh, I have a right to attack. I have a right to question them.
To answer the question,
but you have such a pathetic record yourself. You first admit that what Mulayam Singh Yadav, Akhilesh is doing is taking your terrible legacy forward.
If you have completed, can I then
yes, please.
answer
Yes,
the questions
yes,
that
please.
you have raised?
No, please respond. But
in the case of this, in the case of Banda rape case, if I will remind you, and I want to put the record straight, that Mr. Dwivedi was sent to jail soon after this whole episode was brought to her notice. Number
कितने दिन लगे थे?
Number two, we don't. Let me complete. You have
कितने
raised
दिन लगे थे?
So I have a right to answer or not?
After 31 days.
I have a right to answer.
After 31 days and relentless media pressure.
When the matter was, you see, when the matter was raised and
after 31 days. After protecting him for 31 days.
No, one sec. Come on. Tell me something. When the matter was brought to her notice, did she not send him to jail?
No, same thing. No, one second. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. You say Akhilesh is protecting, has been protecting bureaucrats. You've been protecting your MLAs.
You can take the floor. You can take the floor and let nobody else.
I'm not taking the floor. You've got a bad record.
Question, but I have the right to reply back.
Crimes against Dalits increased during the Mayawati tenure. Am I right or wrong?
No, you have a right to make your points, but I have a right to make my own point too.
Sure.
You may not be seeing the reality from the perspective of the people of certain areas where this episode happened. So therefore it is my responsibility to reply. My answer to this is that Mr. Dwivedi was sent to jail like many other MLAs
after
and including
31
members
days.
of parliament. You are not willing to listen. I have nothing to say there.
After 31 days you were forced to act against him. What wrong am I saying?
31 days, yes, whatever. You see, that is not the issue. Was he sent to jail and then he was languishing in jail for months together? He was not released. He was not pardoned, and there were no scapegoats made for him. Today, Uttar Pradesh is reeling into dark ages. Let me tell you, the most brutalized and the most severe, horrific attacks are being made on women, and yet the Chief Minister has said that to the journalists that you are safe. When women are being raped, the Chief Minister's father Mulayam Singh Yadav says that, well, you see, you can't be hanging, these are minor mistakes. Today, Mayawati Mayawati ji never said like this. She came out heavily against all those people who were responsible for such heinous crimes. let me tell you, the kind of brutalization that is taking place in Uttar Pradesh has never been in the past in the history of UP. Today, UP is reeling into dark ages. Today, UP is reeling into dark ages. And I can tell you that in days to come, you will see worse form of oppression and brutalization of women.
No, one second. Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP, who hasn't joined the debate yet. Sudhanshu Trivedi, was it in the golden ages during Mayawati's tenure? Are either of these parties in a better situation in terms of actually acting against crime
Today
against
there
women?
is a rape in Rajasthan. Why don't you, Arnab Goswami, tell about that also?
Why are you on the defensive when incident has happened in Jhalawar and my reporters are on the spot?
Can I say something because I am kept
Why don't
watching?
you
Yes, Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Goswami, please tell about Jhalawar case also. So don't talk about the...
I have been reporting that all day. Now answer the question on UP.
Ages of the BJP.
We won't spare any political party. Let Sudhanshu Trivedi come in.
No, you are talking
Actually,
about
the
our golden
problem
age,
in
but
Uttar
what about the
Pradesh is
platinum age
that
of,
both these
the
parties,
BJP?
Samajwadi and BSP, both the parties, Samajwadi and BSP, are having a habit of looking the crime and criminal on the basis of their caste and creed.
Most
Samajwadi
what
Party
happened
is
in
having
Bhopal
a
is the
clear-cut
rape
track
capital
record of
Madhya Pradesh.
witnessing all the criminals on the basis of the caste, whether they have withdrawn the cases against Phulan Devi in 1994, to withdrawing the cases of those who have planted bombs in UP's district courts in 2007 on the basis of community. When you took the criminal on the basis of your caste, whether it is benefited to you or not, or the community which is benefited to you or not, this type of thing happens. And there is I have not interrupted when you are speaking.
Let him speak.
This was not right the way. This is the typical Samajwadi Party style. This is the typical Samajwadi Party style, who are not even allowing anybody to speak.
How can you blame us?
I would like to put a fact in front of you. In your government, in the last 1 year, as per the National Crime Record Bureau, 23,500 cases against women has been registered. This is the fact. And the second thing, whenever any party comes to power, there is a typical characteristic sign which you can understand. When Congress comes in the power, the price comes on rise. When BSP comes in power, the statues comes on rise. When Samajwadi Party comes in power, the communal and the criminal comes on rise. And it comes more severely, which are their forte areas, like 4 districts of UP, Etah, Etawah, Manpuri and Farrukhabad. And Ms. Bajpai was saying that Mulayam Singh Yadav has become an international leader. Yes, he is such a big international leader that he was unable to win a single seat for his party. All the Lok Sabha seats have been won by Mulayam Singh Yadav and his family. He was unable to win a single seat for his party, and he has become an international leader. I would like to quote a single sentence in Hindi कि समाजवादी पार्टी का चाल चिंतन चेहरा चरित्र अपराधीकरण में आकंठ डूबा हुआ है.
And let's see, you all are speaking so much. When just you have come to power, you have not shown any performance. Then you are trying to bully everybody.
Ranjana ji, I would like to share a fact with you. नहीं सुनिए वकार जी.
Samajwadi Party government is having the most deplorable record of withdrawing cases against criminals.
I have one question for the Samajwadi Party if they will take it. एक सवाल पूछूंगा, जरा सुन लीजिए मेरी बात.
Bharatiya Janata Party in the
Ranjana ji.
They have 13 ministers with criminal records.
Ranjana ji.
Why don't you mention them?
Samajwadi Party. Arnab, I would like to say one more thing.
No, one second. Ranjana ji.
I would like to quote a couplet by a Samajwadi Party poet who was a member of Samajwadi Party, and the level of, you can say, such a low level which the Samajwadi Party has come to this point. There was a poet whose name was Adam Gondvi. He was a Samajwadi, and he has said the 2 lines I would like to quote. काजू भुने हैं प्लेट में, विस्की गिलास में, उतरा है रामराज यूं विधायक निवास में. And this is his word. पक्के समाजवादी हैं, तस्कर हो या डकैत, कितना असर है खादी के उजले लिबास में. This has been said by a Samajwadi poet, which was at one point of time very close to Lohia ji.
There's another poet of the Samajwadi Party who says कि सूरज के सामने बादल आ जाने पर चिराग समझ रहे हैं कि वो सूरज है. यही हाल आप लोगों के साथ है। कुछ दिन का समय की बात है और आप लोग तो ऐसा दिखा रहे हैं कि आप लोग पूरा राम राज्य आएंगे। और जो
मैं आपसे मैं आप यू नो आई टेल यू रंजना जी व्हाट यू रंजना जी आई एम गेटिंग यू नो रंजना जी आई टेल
और वह यह है कि अब सैया भाई कोतवाल तो डर काहे का। तो उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री जब सैया भय कोतवाल तो अब डर काहे का, तो सारे रेपिस्ट और बलात्कारी इसलिए अब पूरी तरह से उतर आए हैं और वो हम देख रहे हैं।
Can I now wait, just listen to me for a minute, just listen to me Ranjana ji 1 second Shobha Oza, just a minute Ranjana ji, today I want to just say one thing to you. I appeal to your conscience, just listen to me for a minute. Forget the fact that you are with the Samajwadi Party, okay? जस्ट फॉरगेट, 1 मिनट के लिए आप भूल जाइए कि आप समाजवादी पार्टी के साथ हैं, आपको किसी को खुश करने की जरूरत है। आप मेरी बात सुनिए। You know what had happened. No, listen to me. Listen to me now, Ranjana ji. 16 candidates अनुपम खेर, 16 कैंडिडेट ऐसे थे 2012 के जो असेंबली चुनाव थे उत्तर प्रदेश में, तो समाजवादी पार्टी के ऐसे 16 महारथी थे जिनके डिक्लेयर्ड केस थे। डिक्लेयर्ड केस में अनडिक्लेयर्ड केस की जो डिक्लेयर्ड कहते हैं अपने एफिडेविट में हमारे पास। नो, सुन लीजिए मेरी बात, सुन लीजिए, आपको सुनने में तकलीफ क्या है, सुन लीजिए मेरी बात। 16 I am asking you, so are you competing with them? Are you competing with other parties? क्या आप ये कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस के 26 कैंडिडेट थे तो हम भी अपने 16 कैंडिडेट डालेंगे जिनके क्राइम अगेंस्ट वुमेन है, डिक्लेयर्ड केसेस, एंड 3 of them are accused of rape.
People who have got a criminal record.
Three of your candidates are accused of rape.
Criminal record.
You know, 3 of your candidates are accused of rape. बलात्कार के केसेस थे उनके खिलाफ। भूल गए आप? सुनने में तकलीफ होती है आपको, ये सच्चाई है कि ऐसे लोगों को आपने चुनाव में खड़ा किया था।
उनके खिलाफ एक्शन लिया गया।
अनुपम खेर, you see, I now give up. You see, I'll tell you. And today
हो गया, whatever crime was proved,
1963 rapes. I know you don't care. मुझे पता है कि आप एक पॉइंट के बाद आप केयर करना बंद कर चुके हैं। You see, I'll tell you, रंजना जी या वकार जी, मुझे आज कहने में काफी तकलीफ हो रही है कि मुझे लग रहा है, नो, मैं कह रहा हूं 1963 rapes have happened in 2012 and there are 16 candidates with crimes against women. 3 of your candidates have rape charges. Your ex-chief minister, your leader says boys will be boys. लड़के तो लड़के होंगे, यानी कि बलात्कार भी कर सकते हैं। और आपके मुख्यमंत्री कहते हैं बड़ी बात क्या है, आप क्यों कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं? You know, it is this whole attitude, I'll tell you, it is this attitude that encourages rapists. It is this attitude that encourages rapists.
Why do you just...
They feel the state government is on their side.
We are not...
They feel they have the backing of the state government.
Strong action is being taken against them.
What strong action? I'll get Anupam Kher. Anupam Kher.
Totally condemn these incidents.
No, I really want to get Anupam Kher back to the debate because I started with him.
First of all, I must apologize to Vajpayee ji, Miss Vajpayee, that she felt bad about my comment, but that was the truth. But anyway, I should have not said maybe. But I am listening to this conversation for the last 40 minutes, and I, as an Indian, as a man, as a citizen of this country, my head hangs in shame that we are still defending. We are still defending. We are.
If I am a chamcha, then you are a bigger chamcha of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
But I think you need to be sensitive to sort of to respond to what I'm saying. I think what you know exactly what has happened, Arnab, that I have hit the bull's eye by calling her what she is. And she is not graceful enough that I'm saying sorry about that because she's a lady, I should not be saying it. But what I am a conscientious citizen of this country who is telling you that shame on you that instead of apologizing to the parents of that girl, instead of saying sorry and instead of, in Arnab's words, resigning from your post, you are defending for the last 40 minutes about something which should be shameful,
Not only me.
and you are making me angry about something, and you are telling me that I'm a chamcha or something. Do you think I'm going to get upset about that? I'm upset at the carelessness of your government. I'm upset at the way you are handling this issue. I am upset on behalf of all the girls in this country that you are so shameful that you have no shame in saying, I am sorry, I apologize, and I'll leave this party, I'll leave this commission, whatever you are heading. And you are making me feel defensive by saying that you are chamcha of so and so. You should be ashamed of yourself right now by, in fact, defending. What about that girl on whose face this acid was poured? You have no shame, ma'am. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that women who are representing these organizations are themselves enemies of such girls.
You realize sometimes, you realize sometimes how insecure people may feel.
If you today resign,
you realize sometimes, Wakarji, 2 minute के लिए अपने politics को भूल जाइए.
You are fighting about something totally different.
Forget your politics for a minute.
Says that आपको तो कोई खतरा नहीं, आप क्यों परेशान है? जो पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट सेज कि लड़के तो लड़के हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ उनको ये बोलने के लिए कि आप कितनी गलत बात बोल रहे हैं, मैं अपने पद से इस्तीफा देती हूं, आप मुझे बोल रही हैं और इस पिछले 40 मिनट पर आप डिफेंड कर रही हो लोगों को. शर्म तो आपको आनी चाहिए.
And when he files the nomination paper, what does he do? He does not mention that.
आप उनको इंटरनेशनल लीडर बोलती हैं.
नहीं, आज मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, 1 मिनट सुन लीजिए वकार जी, मुझे लग रहा है कि आज अखिलेश को क्रिटिसाइज करने की सारी दुनिया में एक ही आदमी का हक है. आपको पता है वो कौन है? एक ही व्यक्ति है सारी दुनिया में. सुन लीजिए ना प्लीज, सुन लीजिए ना प्लीज, आप सुनते क्यों नहीं हैं?
And I salute that man, that father of that girl, Arnab. I salute that man who said मुझे मुआवजा नहीं चाहिए. आप मुझे मुआवजा मत दीजिए.
Mr. Kher, you did not even go to Badaयूं. What do you know?
Really, I'll tell you one thing.
I don't have to.
I'll tell you one thing. Miss Bajpai, we may not have gone to Badaयूं, but we feel more for what is happening than you people sitting in Lucknow, running the government there.
I am so happy and pleased that I used that word chamcha for them, because that really bothered them.
नहीं, 1 minute.
That's really bothered, because they actually have to live with that.
मार्च 2013 में सुन लीजिए बात. सुन लीजिए रंजना जी, सुन लीजिए ना मेरी बात. 1 minute. I want to play a comment of the girl's father. 1 second. I am going to play a comment of that girl's father now. This comment has come from this 1 minute. This comment says a lot. Let's hear that. सुन लीजिए.
ये और जो अभी आप रह रहे हैं, पुलिस वाले वहाँ पे हैं सुरक्षा के लिए, वही यूपी के ही पुलिस वाले हैं, वो नहीं पुलिस वालों के साथी हैं जो जिनके ऊपर इल्ज़ाम भी लगे हुए हैं. आपको कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा डर है इस बात का कि जब मीडिया यहाँ से चला जाएगा, जब ये सब कैमरा चला जाएगा तो आपके लिए मुश्किल होगी यहाँ?
हाँ, ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि यहाँ मीडिया वाले चले जाएंगे, नेता चले जाएंगे, फिर अभी हमारी 3 साल बकाया हैं, मैं महाभारत बना दूंगा. ये खबर आ रही है, कह रहे हैं लोग, सुन रहे हैं.
कौन लोग कह रहे हैं?
ये आके कह रहे हैं. और
आप क्या चाहते हैं कि अब सुरक्षा के लिए क्या किया जाए आपको?
हमको सुरक्षा के लिए केंद्र से गार्ड की जरूरत है.
आपको राज्य सरकार पे
मुझे कोई भरोसा नहीं है.
बस सुन लीजिए. दिस इज हाउ द विक्टिम्स फादर फील्स.
सुन लिया ना अर्नब जी.
वो भी झूठ है.
और जो विक्टिम है उसका फादर इतना ज्यादा अग्रीव्ड है, इतना दुखी है, और जितनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज जा रही हैं, फ्रॉम बीजेपी टू कांग्रेस, everybody is trying to poison.
Really sad that it is only. I'll get a response from BJP and BSP now. No, this is the problem. Okay, Shobha Oza first, then Sudhanshu Trivedi. No, 1 second. Don't. 1 second. Sudhanshu Trivedi wants to come. Sudhanshu Trivedi. No, it doesn't matter. You are in power. We accept the criticism. लोगों में डर है, आक्रोश है. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
What are you all doing? Just trying to instigate.
I am doing my job as a journalist by asking you the questions.
Of discussion.
No, you are not doing.
You are doing your job. We are doing our
Instead
job.
of going further into the discussion,
That's the problem.
Be careful of what you say.
You are not doing the job.
No, 1 second. Mr. Wakar. Mr. Wakar, मुझे लग रहा है कि सच्चाई इतनी कड़वी है कि आप बेहोश हो चुके हैं उसको सुनकर. अब सुधांशु त्रिवेदी की बात सुनिए. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी की बात सुनिए प्लीज. And you know something,
मुझे पता है कि मैं
Instead of going into
you
the
just,
details
Mr.
of what
Wakar,
the
listen
discussion-
to people today. Don't make these comments. You are looking bad. You are looking foolish. You should not make these comments.
Mr. Wakar,
You should
you
show
have
some
spoken
sensitivity. आज तो आप थोड़ा सा सुन लीजिए। और दूसरी बात यह है, मार्च 2013 में मुझे लगता है कि आपको सुनने की आदत नहीं है। मार्च 2013 में मुलायम सिंह यादव ने कहा था कि आडवाणी जी ने खुद कहा हमसे, यूपी में अपराध की स्थिति ठीक नहीं है, अगर जल्दी कोई सुधार नहीं किया तो अखिलेश की छवि ऐसी ही बन जाएगी। तो जब आडवाणी जी कहते हैं तब तो मुलायम सिंह यादव को होश आता है, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि हम चुनाव हार सकते हैं। मगर जब मीडिया पूछती है तो आप जैसे नेता आके मीडिया को सवाल पूछते हैं। आप आज जाके पूछिए कि आपके खुद के मुख्यमंत्री के पिताजी ने, आपके मुख्यमंत्री के पिताश्री ने यह कहा था कि नहीं कहा था? आप पूछ लीजिए, पहले उनसे पूछ लीजिए। मीडिया को सवाल पूछने से पहले आप अपने आप को पूछ लीजिए, आपके अंतरात्मा को पूछ लीजिए कि आप क्या कह रहे हैं और क्या कर चुके हैं और क्या हो चुके हैं। एक मिनट, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी प्लीज। सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, डोंट ट्राई टू गेट एग्रेसिव विथ मी। सुधांशु त्रिवेदी,
We will get aggressive.
don't try to, you can take your aggression elsewhere. You throw it into the dustbin. Don't try it with me. One second.
About Mrs. Ranjana Vajpayee.
You keep your aggression to yourself.
You know what, ma'am? You keep your political aggression elsewhere. I am a journalist. I'm asking you the questions.
We are.
Yeah, so what will you do? You blacked out our channel when we asked you questions about what happened in sci-fi. What will you do? You'll black out Times Now once again?
We try to take
आप एक बार और blackout कराने की कोशिश करेंगे?
We are always open to it.
You know, we'll ask you the questions. You be open to it. Mulayam Singh Yadav had criticized Akhilesh for the deteriorating crime rate in Uttar Pradesh. He said it publicly. He said it publicly. Why did you black out Times Now? Why was Times Now blacked out after we covered Azam Khan's junkets? You are not open to criticism. You are not open to criticism. It is evident to me that you are not open to criticism. It is not. It is not. It is the same attitude that when you ask questions, you try to intimidate the media. Don't try it here. Don't try it with me. Don't try and pressurize me. Don't try and politicize the issue. Accept your responsibility. Well, I'm telling you, your chief minister is not above criticism. Your chief minister will be criticized. Your chief minister will be questioned. There's nothing unnatural about
it. We
it.
will listen to criticism if it is
You
true.
may feel bad. We'll ask the questions.
You cannot be unfair to us.
Fine. So we are asking Akhilesh the questions. He's become chief minister. One second. One second. So what will you do? What will you do? You'll black out the channel? You'll boycott the channel? What will you do? Ask yourself. You are on the wrong path.
Who's saying this?
I'm asking you this today. You listen. You one second. So you let me. You know, my job is to ask the questions.
We will not toe your line.
Fine. Neither will I toe your line. Neither will I toe your line.
Then don't do.
I will not toe your line. Why do you think that I will? My job is to ask you the questions. Whether you are in power, out of power, I don't care. My next question goes, and we're taking the discussion forward, taking a few more minutes. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
For your wrong blame.
I am, the whole world knows what is happening in UP now. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
After watching your discussion, Arnav, I feel sympathetic about Mrs. Ranjana Vajpayee, who is such a learned professor of a university, and she has to defend her government. I would like to say, such an act of her government. I would like to say a word in Hindi. आज तक आपने सत्ता की ताकत देखी होगी, आज सत्ता की लाचारी देख रहे हैं कि सत्ता में होने की लाचारी क्या होती है, आज उनके डिस्कशंस में दिखाई पड़ रही है। इसलिए ना उन्हें आंकड़े दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं। They have to set aside the facts, the figures, the statement of their national president, Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav, the statement of Mr. Shivpal Yadav, who had said, even their MLAs, Mr. Gupta, their one MLA of Azamgarh, who had said the crime has come to such an extent that we are unable to do anything. Their police records. Why you have removed the chief secretary? Why you have removed the home secretary if everything was okay? Everything is wrong from top to bottom, and still you have to defend because it is your compulsion.
Because
you have just removed the home secretary to send him on vacation, I think.
You are at fault.
That is why he has been removed.
You are at fault.
I'm not at fault.
You are at fault.
You
are at fault.
So everybody is at fault in the eyes of Samajwadi Party. The people is at fault. The media is at fault. The policemen are at fault. The chief secretary is
And
at fault,
in the
home
eyes
secretary
of
is
all
fault,
the people that-
but they
that are
themselves
there,
are above all. Eko ham dutiyo nasti.
And I
वो
wa-
सबसे ऊपर है, they are above all, and everybody else is away. This is the typical feudalistic mindset,
Now you
which
can
says
come to
right
power.
or wrong.
And-
the
and-
king
and
is
wake
wrong.
up, Akhilesh.
That's why your entire
Wake up, Akhilesh is the
is so
top
much
trending
indebted
subject
and
on
indebted
top
in that
national
psychology
trending subject
that
on
you
on
have
Twitter
to come
tonight.
out to
And
have
I'll
a
tell you
rational
one thing.
outlook first.
I'll tell you one thing. Remember this, Ranjana ji, that people give you power when you don't respond. When you become arrogant, people snatch that power away from you. They snatch it away from you. If for nothing else, for the fear of losing power, you need to wake up. Akhilesh needs to wake up. Wake up, Akhilesh is the biggest talking point tonight. Sudhanshu Trivedi and Anupam Kher, I'd like to hear your quick words before I wrap this up. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
I just want
Okay,
to say
Anupam
one thing.
Kher.
I just want to say one thing, Arnab. And today,
yes.
after this debate,
Will you give me a chance
both
too?
Miss Vajpayee and Waqar go to their home, and if their children ask them, were you right, Dad, or were you right, ma'am, what will be their answer? That's all.
Can I ask a
Anupam
question?
Kher,
Here, with a lot of respect, I
you-
beg to say that
you
please don't
leave
come
your
like that.
acting and
आपको
please come
पता
to
नहीं
Uttar
कि उत्तर
Pradesh.
प्रदेश की जमीन पर
Come
क्या
to
हो
Uttar
रहा है।
Pradesh and find out what is the reality.
आपको जो मीडिया से मालूम हो रहा है, आप उस पर बात कर रहे हैं जनाब। आप आइए हमारे साथ, आइए, हम आपको लेके चलेंगे। आप आके देखिए।
अरे मैं आऊंगा तो मुझे आपकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी वहां आने के लिए। वो मेरे देश
अरे
का
जो
हिस्सा
हुआ है वो तो
और मैं
अभी
जानकारी
के
रखता हूं
लोकसभा
सब
चुनाव में
चीजों के
Okay,
बारे में।
okay. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
मत करिए।
1 minute. Sudhindra Bhadoria. One sec. Sudhindra Bhadoria.
इनवाइट कर रहे हैं, आप आए या ना आए,
Sudhindra
आप-
Bhadoria, this has to, I am getting some more reports. Please think, I'll tell you one thing tonight, sir. Waqar ji, ये जब हम ये ब्रॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं ना, तो हमारे पास और खबर आ रही है कि कन्नौज में और एक ऐसी घटना हुई है, और भी बुरी घटना हुई। आप सोच लीजिए कि ये आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर के एरोगेंस के कारण हुई है कि नहीं है, कि लोग जो बलात्कारी है उनको लगता है कि किसी भी चीज के डरने की कोशिश जरूरत नहीं है। जब मुख्यमंत्री खुद इस तरह की बात करते हैं तो कौन किससे डरेगा? डर नहीं है आपके स्टेट में। बलात्कारी जो है उनकी डर नहीं है किसी से। 1 second, Sudhindra Bhadoria, please.
इतने शालीन, इतने
You see,
civilized-
the kind
Sudhindra
of
Bhadoria
arrogance
and Shobha
which is-
Oza.
The arrogance which is being shown by the chief minister, by the members of the party, and not a single minister, not the chief minister, not Mulayam Singh Yadav have even cared to visit Badaयूं or any one of these places, only shows one
Okay.
thing, that they are at the height of arrogance, and this government, if there is anything in the constitution of Article 350.
Anyway, Shobha Oza, quickly, Shobha Oza, please.
Immediately.
Shobha
post
Oza,
it.
please. No, this cannot be allowed to continue like this. Shobha Oza.
How can you blame
Shobha
Mulayam
Oza.
Singh Yadav?
Shobha Oza.
Arnab, if the head of the government are so insensitive to women atrocities, I really have my fears that ever we would wipe off women atrocity from the face of this country. If we have such leaders and such government who just does not care for women atrocities, I have all my fears that we will never wipe off this blot from the face of our country. That's all I have to say.
Tonight,
They should start
tonight
from
really
their
it is
state
such a,
first.
we are getting some more reports. They are very disturbing. I just want to assure all our viewers that regardless of anything, especially the kind of attempt at bullying on the News Hour tonight, we will continue to report this story. Whatever happens, regardless of how the Samajwadi Party perceives it, this is something that needs to be told. And I would like every Samajwadi Party leader to think about what is happening in their state tonight. Thank you for joining me on our debate number 1 on Wake Up Akhilesh on the News Hour tonight.